Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 19. I'm going to quickly go over what you all will be working on this week and what you can expect. So, the first thing you see is the 2.3.9 plumbing system PowerPoint. I do have a plumbing note check with that. You will be turning in notes. Again, remember, when taking notes, do not copy paste from the PowerPoint. I can tell. And you will not receive credit. If you're copying and pasting formulas, on the other hand, that is something completely different, and that is absolutely okay. It's not even copy pasting the formulas, it's taking a picture. But you'll see the PowerPoint, and you will be taking notes on that. Quickly go over, it's just talking about plumbing system, moving on with the water supply systems that we were talking about last week. We're going to get into plumbing systems and waste management. So I would like you to go through, get familiar with all of these vocab words. I don't expect you to memorize them 100%, but I expect you to kind of be familiar. Definitely take notes. And then what we have is the residential plumbing assignment. This assignment you'll be working on throughout the week, and as you need help, you can ask. But you're going to need to print your affordable housing project floor plan. So your specific floor plan, your finished floor plan in Revit, you'll be printing it out either at the computer at school or at home if you have access to it. If you do not have access to it, you'll be hand sketching your floor plan again, unless you already have one that you've sketched previously and still have held on to it. You can use that one. But if you have not already done so, you need to sketch in the preliminary location of fixtures on your affordable house floor plans, including like appliances or fixtures that must have water or supplies waste or needs wastewater removed. So your sinks, your toilets, your dishwasher, your washing machine, things like that. And you can obviously look up more detailed list of what those fixtures include. So then you're going to locate the best location for them, or locate the best location for your water heater, and you're going to draw that on your floor plan. And then on your floor plan, you're going to sketch preliminary plumbing systems that comply with residential plumbing code requirements to include hot water lines, cold water lines, and drain lines. And in that PowerPoint, I will also be going over what those lines look like, what they would look like sketched on your plan, and how they should flow. You'll identify plumbing walls because those plumbing walls need to have a thicker interior wall to accommodate all that piping. So you'll draw that on your plan and make them noticeable. Here you go. It says submit that photo here for steps 1 through 4. And then you're just going to continue down and keep answering and submitting where it asks. But those are the 2 assignments I have for you this week. Obviously, if you still owe me something, get it turned in. This will be, let me see, we've got this week and next week until the end of the second marking period. So you need to focus on getting your assignments done. Again, if you have any questions, obviously feel free to ask me. You can ask me in class or you can ask me through Schoology. I prefer in class or on Zoom because it's easier for me to answer them. But I hope you guys have a great day and a great rest of your week.